Beautiful day out here in Rome, Italy, and we're having a fantastic time. About to head over to Trevi Fountain, one of the most infamous places right here in Rome. We're super excited. It is 5:30 in the morning. The sun just came out, and this is supposed to be the perfect time because otherwise it gets very crazy with tourists. So let's go ahead and see what Trevi Fountain has to offer us. And just like that, guys, we have made it to Trevi Fountain, one of the most infamous places right here in Rome. And as you guys can see right behind me, it's 5:30 in the morning, lots of crazy crowd here already, and then you can only imagine what this is gonna look like. So people are all the way over here. I mean, we came here yesterday, and this thing was packed all day. But as you guys can see, this thing is beautiful. It reminds me of a history book, having such a fantastic time. Wow, what a beautiful view right here.
So fun fact, this fountain actually makes $2 million a year from how many people throw coins into it.
And just like that, guys, we just took some fantastic pictures right here at the Trevi Fountain. And as you guys can see, the crowd is hyped because these pictures are going to be the most memorable things a lot of people are going to ever have. I mean, these are going to go on Christmas cards. These are going to go on, family photos. And I mean, as you guys can see, this view is nothing but majestic. And we had such a great time, got some great pictures. Let's see what the next spot has to offer us. Let's do it.
Wow, such beautiful, great views of the fountain. And actually, another amazing fact is there's so many fountains like this all throughout Rome that you can actually just drink right out from over there.
I've always heard it, but I've never done it. Let's go ahead and drink some water just from these little things on the street. Try to see what this tastes like. All right, taste test, baby. Wow, it's good water, good water. Yeah, hopefully this does not give me any sort of diseases, but great waters right here in Rome, baby. And just like that, guys, we have made it to our second stop, the Spanish Stairs. And as you guys can see right behind me, there's a beautiful couple taking fantastic wedding photos in these beautiful steps. And the crazy part here is that we're gonna go and do some cardio, and we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna try to check out what the view looks like from over there of the beautiful city of Rome. So let's go ahead and get it done. And just like that, guys, we have made it to the top of the Spanish Steps. And as you guys can see right in front of me, wow. I mean, the view here is fantastic. There's a reason people do a lot of cardio. Come all the way up here and just look at the fantastic, the dome. We've got the Vatican, and the city of Rome, Italy, just looking fantastic as always. Let's go ahead and see what the next place is going to be for us to explore. Let's do it. And just like that, guys, we have made it to our next stop, the Pantheon. And as you guys can see right behind me, we have one of the most beautiful architectural masterpieces I have ever seen. It reminds me of Greece, and every single thing over here just looks so historic and so amazing. I actually came from the streets over there, and I came and saw this, and I was like, wow, Opa, baby, let's do it. Another great thing over here is that, as you guys can see, I mean, everywhere in Rome, you have these little fountains. And the best part about these fountains is that you can drink this water, have a great time, and all this just looks amazing as well.
We just made it to Piazza Navona, and if you look along the pointy thing, there's actually these Roman numeral writings on it, and I think that's just so fascinating.
And just like that, guys, we have made it to our next and last spot, Ponte Umberto I. Why is it called Ponte Umberto I? Well, it's a fantastic bridge and overlooking that beautiful museum. But not just that, we look over the water, and as you guys can see, water is looking fantastic. But the best part here is not even the water. It's what's right behind the water. It is actually the St. Peter's, I believe it's a cathedral or some sort of building. But I mean, fantastic stuff that we have going on right here at Ponte Umberto I. And what a fantastic day it's been. Oh my God, guys, go and let the comments and the likes know that you guys are having a great time. So let's go ahead and see what the next spot is. Let's do it.